Today we're going to look at number properties, specifically 3 of them. We're going to look at the commutative property of multiplication or addition. When you look at that, we're going to focus on the word commute. When you think of commute, you think of going to and from school. You can start at home and go to school, or start at school and go home, and either way it's the same distance. The order doesn't matter. So we're going to look at multiplication. 3 times 7 and 7 times 3 are both 21. Doesn't matter the order, they're still the same. We can do that with addition as well. Notice 3 plus 7 and 7 plus 3 are both 10. The order didn't matter. So the commutative property talks about order. Now we're going to look at the associative property of multiplication or addition. We're going to focus on the word associate. When you're working in school, if there's 3 of you and you have to be in groups of 2, there's a few ways you can do it. So there's one way, here's another way. That's the same with multiplication. We can either multiply the first 2 numbers first, still get 24, or the second 2 numbers, and you're still going to get 24. They're the same. Again, it's got that word or, so we can do it with addition as well. First 2 numbers, or second 2 numbers first. Both times, we get 10. We're going to look at our final property, the distributive property. When you think of this, you should look at the word distribute. In school, if your teacher has 2 worksheets to hand out to 3 people in class, she's going to distribute 2 to the first person, the second person, and the third person. That's true here. We're going to distribute the 2 by multiplying to both numbers inside. We're going to end up with 16. If we added first, we would still wind up with 16. Let's review. The commutative property, we're going to focus on the word commute. The associative property, we're going to focus on the word associate. And the distributive property, we're going to focus on the word distribute.